Well, I did it again. I took a shower. So this is the water I got out of the lake. A little grungy. I got it. I'm pretty much done with that water. I'll have to rinse that out when I get home. And this unit here, it's not too dependable. These fittings come off all the time, you know, and I think I'm going to go back to the bag I got. That's pretty good. But anyways, I'm going to go for a hike now. Done with that shower. Go for a walk. So let's see, we're up here 50, which on this map is right up here. So we could take this trail up here and come back the other direction. Kinda. I don't know. Hope they got good markers on their trails. Or I could walk down here towards I think I'd like to walk around this thing. Lakeshore Trail. And then there's another one that goes way up to here. I don't know about what's going on there, but I think we'll be hanging along here, and I'll take the map. I don't think there's too much of a possibility of getting lost. So anyways, everything's looking good. And I may have a little bit of rain on my extended stay, but that's fine. Let's go for a hike, see if we can get lost. On YouTube there is YouTube content creators that do shows on lost people in parks, national parks, Appalachian Trail, that kind of stuff. I found it kind of interesting. Oh, here's my watch. I don't know if you can see that. Some reflection. But I'm going to set a walk. I'm going to push this button down here. And then I'm going to select outdoor walk. Go. So it's measuring time, kcals, aerobic training effects, heart rate. That's what this watch is for. See how I do. I usually walk 1 mile when I do walk on a city walking path. Nice hard city walking path. And I try to make a 20-minute walk. And I've came close a couple times, but I can't seem to break 20 minutes on a walk. I wonder if this trail on the lake is an actual trail. Let's see what it looks like. It'd be nicer to walk on the lake. No, it's not marked, but it seems to be though. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'd rather walk on the lake, I think. Big old pines. It's really nice right now. It's just like bathtub weather, if there's such thing. Whitecaps out there. Oh, there's a tower over there. I guess a lookout tower for fires. Very nice. Yeah, let's go. Maybe we'll see some wildlife. My hiking boots are feeling good. Pretty sporty too. And I've got like a light wool sock on too, so they're very comfy with that extra sock for cushion. They're comfy even without that extra sock, but now they're spectacular. Yeah, this is a nice lake. I gotta make it here in the summer so I can swim. I don't know if the water's probably warm right now, but I don't know if I'd want to go swimming. It'll cool off tonight. I think it's supposed to be in the 40s. Yeah, that's the end of that lakeshore trail. Might have been some people going through there a long time ago, but we came up a hill, getting some aerobic exercise. Oh, look at the deer. They're pretty tame. Hi, deer. Like a doe and a couple younger ones, I guess. Might be a deer scrape, I don't know. Wildlife tends to get pretty tame inside parks, but actually I heard they shut this park down during deer hunting season and allow people to deer hunt. Probably in these same woods, I don't know. We're getting way up there now. But I don't know, this park, the land and stuff was given to the state from a guy by the name of McCarthy, and maybe he stipulated that there'd be a hunting season in the park. I don't know. This is nice. We're into, well, it's kind of a mixed forest still. I was thinking there's more hardwood, but there's still a lot of pine in here. Try this. I seen a YouTuber doing this, so I think I'll try it. Yeah. Whoop. A selfie stick. You can see me walking. Actually, the guy that I watched here just recently was climbing a mountain. I mean, a pretty tall one. And they have a, where was it, Italy? Yeah. Up in the mountain, they have a, like a shack, an emergency shack. It's painted orange. It's got 4 bunks in it. Just a basic utility, escape the elements if you were lost or stuck up in the mountains. It's pretty cool. But this young guy, he couldn't have been much more than 20. And a very, very good hiker. Went up there, spent a night in that little cabin, emergency shelter. It's kind of, I don't know, kind of a round roof, built to withstand mountain snows, and it had been there for 70 years or something. So, but he went from there, he hiked up to the top, and people that he met going up told him there's too much snow. They turned around, too much snow at the top, but he made it up, and he spent the night in the emergency shelter, and then so he was closer, and then he left in the morning real early, so he had hard packed snow to get up the mountain. And while he was up there, he was way above the clouds. It was pretty neat because the clouds were just like a blanket on the, it looked like a blanket out there of just puffy clouds. So here's the end of this little bay here. It's not a far walk. And he made it up, and he hardly even broke a sweat, it seemed like. That picture went kind of dark. Oh, there it's bright now again. This isn't a very good selfie stick. Let me turn this thing a little. Yeah, it's not made very good because you can't bend the stick anymore. So I watch a lot of those shows on outdoors.